they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Give me a piece of that boy. Snails are just gonna freeze outside and they're gonna die and I'm gonna come home to dead snails. You pay for those. $25. They were supposed to be hand raised and shipping was $10.
Hand raised snails.
How do you hand raise a snail?
They're free if you go outside and get them.
I didn't want to do that. I'm all about captive, buying them captive.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tyler Rugge. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to Hot Topic. That's loud. That's loud. Oh my god.
Unusual for me, I know.
You're getting a red.
Hello? Hello?
You.
Yeah. Oh, ow, ow, sharp teeth, ow.
Sound. Let go, bitch.
Charlie. Charlie says, I'm a puppy. Leak, sniff,
Lick,
bite, leak.
I wanna eat.
No.
Very pretty is going to fall.
Oh.
But for what purpose, though?
Photos from your phone and never look back. You and your friends in LA, you know I mean that. I think you're the worst of them. Think you're the worst of them all.
I have depression so badly.
Me too. The worst. I think you're the worst of them all. I think you're the worst. I think you're the worst of them all. What's that? You have both and one but f***ed around. I buy you everything on solid ground.
Why are you still recording
yeah,
this?
I'm full and you know it. I'm a business steady growing. Didn't want to listen, but you proved them right. I watched you blow it. F*** it.
Oh, I'm concerned.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of We Bought Animals. Well, Maddie did. Online. We got some snails. It looks pretty rough. I have to go to Hot Topic.
Leave! You ruin everything I tried to do. Get out, these are not for you. Go. Okay, come here, my babies. Did they give me an extra one? I only ordered 3.
Really?
Ew, look at the, like, okay, I think they're living. Well, 2 are. They already have names, I just have to figure out which one is which. Get out of here! Leave! Go! Okay, so there has to be Sheldon, Shelly, Shelby, and Snurch are their names, but I just need to...
Snurch?
Yeah, like Snail Church. Do you remember that meme?
No.
Take me to Snurch?
I do not remember that.
Oh, well I remember it, and it lives on strong in my brain, so one of them is Snurch. Look how dumb.
I'm suffering.
I hate you. Why would we go out this just to go to Hot Topic? You're this
I really had to go to Hot Topic,
It's
honestly.
the worst.
Like, it was an emergency.
You're going to kill us.
Emergency trip to Hot Topic in this.
Disgusting.
Successful Hot Topic trip. Worth it 100%. Isn't that right, Maddie?